Alright, rolling whenever you're ready.
Do I just go?
Yeah, you look at the camera.
Hi, it's Brenna, and today we'll be making fluffy slime. So, yeah, what you will need is some school glue. I'm using Elmer's. You should use Elmer's. Elmer's. And you should be using liquid starch or contact solution as your activator. I'm using Staflo today. Stayflow, sorry. I get that mixed up a lot. Then you're gonna need some foaming soap. Oh, more glue. Then if you wanna make it fluffy, which I'm making it fluffy today, you're gonna need some shaving cream. Then you're gonna need some food coloring or some paint. So let's get to the video. Oh, you'll also need measuring tools. So, the cup kinds, like this kind. So, you'll also need a bowl. So, right now you should be you're gonna pour. You should pour half a cup of glue. This might take a while. This is so hard. Parents in the back. Parents in the back.
Wait until I leave
I know.
before you pour it in.
I know.
Hold on. Look in the camera.
And then you're just gonna pour it in. You're also gonna need a mixing tool. It's random, I'm just saying that at the end. Yeah, you're gonna need a mixing tool. So, then you're gonna try to add all the glue. And then, if you want to make it foamy, I'm making it foamy. You're gonna add in 1 cup of shaving cream. So we're gonna do that. This is hard because the shaving cream rises. That's about a cup, right? Yeah. So then you pour your wiggly jiggly ball of bubbles into your bowl. And then you're just gonna scrape all that you can out. It's okay if you don't get everything out, but get as much as you can out. Then you're gonna mix those two together. You're just gonna mix those two together. And it should look like a foamy glue. Kind of like this. It's like a glue, but it's foamy. Okay. After that, put this to the side. Or in the front. You're gonna take your food coloring or paint. Food coloring or paint.
Get your hair in the glue.
I'm trying not to. You should. Where's the cap?
Cap on the glue. And
Where is it?
Right on the other side of the glue.
Oh, sorry, we're having a family commotion here. So then you're gonna add your food coloring or paint to the mix. going to be making hot pink today. I'm adding about 5 squirts to mine. Then take your mixer and then you're gonna stir that together and get your perfect, delicious color. Well, if it's perfect to you. You can add more food coloring in and get it to your color that you want. My color is getting brighter, so I'm gonna add some more food coloring in. Cut. Oh no, mine is turning out great. Look at that, so creamy. Sorry, I'm crazy. I'm wacko. I'm crazy. You can call me anything that's crazy. Just yeah, I'm crazy. If you didn't know. So, then wipe that. You're gonna wipe your hands in case anything got on you. If nothing got on you, good job. Everything gets on me. Then you're gonna add 2 pumps of your foaming soap. 2. And then put that to the side. And guess what? You're gonna mix some more. So mix that in. I would choose some foaming soap. Yeah, foaming soap that... Oh, and if you can't find foam soap in stores, it's also known as hand soap. We got ours from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, you should go and get a smell that you think is really pretty. I got mine as lemon smell. So, because I love lemons. I also love love. So anyway, once you get that stirred in, you're going to use your activator. So I'm using my Sta-Flo over here, putting the glue to the side, and you're just going to add a little at a time. Don't add in this whole thing. It will probably overflow your bowl. Just little at a time. I only added like a little bit. And then you're going to mix that. And you probably heard that in slime, you get your hands dirty. So we're going to be getting our hands dirty. Duh, because we're making slime. This is my own recipe, so I'm really excited about it. You're going to mix that until it gets like it's coming off the bowl. Mine isn't done yet because it didn't go off the bowl exactly and go into a little ball. I might have added a little too much, but it's okay. It just means that it'll be a little rubbery. So mine is starting to come off of the bowl. That means that we're going to be getting our hands dirty. So clear a spot. Then you're going to put your tool to the side and get this icky, gross slime out. And you're just going to play with it. You might want to clean your surface after you're done with this and start playing with it again. If it's too sticky and it sticks to your hands too much, then you should add some more Sta-Flo or whatever you're using. Yeah, I said it right. So, you might want to see this. So, stretch it out and all that. And I already have a batch down here that's stretchy. And look at this. Hold on. Yeah. And then if it doesn't stretch that much, you should add some lotion. So, I'm adding a little lotion. I also got that from Bath & Body Works. Don't go to Bath & Body Works for everything for slime. Because if you go there and say, I need some glue, where's the glue aisle? Then they'll freak out and say, out of the store, or something like that. So, yeah. Mine is getting stretchier. Awesome. What?
Show 'em the one you made earlier.
And I also made one earlier than this earlier one.
That is the earlier one. She already did that while you were gone.
Anyway, my parents are arguing a little. So, yeah. I made one earlier and it looks way better. Yeah. Wipe hands. Hand wipe, thank you. I don't want to get this color on my other color, right? So, it's just under here. Oh, guys, by the way, down there is my cat. I don't know if you could see her, but yeah. This is the one I made earlier. Earlier. And it's stretchy. I didn't add lotion to this one, so I want to do that now. You guys are witnessing my first Stay Flow one. This is the first one that I used with Stay Flow. I'm going to be making this all day. This is so fun to make. You guys should really try this. And if your parents say no, sneak by. I'm kidding. Don't do that. Your parents are very loving people. If they don't want you to make slime, there's a reason. My mom and dad didn't want me to make slime at first because it was slimy and it would get everywhere around the house. My mom said, don't make too much of it. And I'm like, of course, Mom. She's so boring. I'm kidding. She's standing right there. I'm kidding. I'm really kidding about all that I said. Anyway, so then my dad's outside watching our trees. Just looking out. Yeah, so after you're done, you should put it in a container like this. Then you can put it down and take it out. Play with it later. So that's how you make slime. Yeah, that's how you make slime. Fluffy slime. Yeah. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up in the comments. Thank you. Bye.